guys, we're back on the move after a little regroup. After a little regroup, you know what I mean? Let everybody catch back up. That was a bit rocky. We're probably out here at Georgetown in about probably about 80-something degrees weather. But any day on a bike is better than no day on a bike. And I can't see damn thing, dude. You're probably gonna hear that a lot today. But that's just how it's gonna be, because that's how it is. Look at that. Wah! Woo! The old Ripper started off pretty bogged out. The Hollister setup ain't really 100 for Georgetown. So we went a few clicks on the air screw and here we are. That was a nice freaking rock climb. This causes a lot of focus. And a lot of just send it, dude. See now. We can see clearly. Oh shit! Ah! You got me on the neutral shot. Can't start a day without the neutral shot. If you're the old time OGs on this channel, you know we notorious for the neutral shots. Never seem to get away. Tell you what, IRC front tires hooking up like a mother. Shout out to Santa Clara Cycle, get me that tire. You guys go hit them up. Check them out. Follow them on Instagram. Subscribe to them on YouTube. Highly recommend the tire. Best tire I had so far. Nice and gummy. Woo, oh, damn. Squeezing through right there. Oh man, I love this bike, dude. Whoa! People always like, hey Nick dog, why you always running that old, oh here we go, hold up. Woo! Did you get that on footage? Yeah! Sending it. Oh, everybody go down. That was tight. All right, guys, how about that one? You guys are gonna have to go to Instagram to check that out. We'll have NFR send me the footage and I'll put a clip together. Dude, I ate it right into that tree.
No shit.
Yeah, I wheeled it like, and then when I caught it, just shot me off into the tree.
Oh.